Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with your chapter Simple Future Tense. Simple Future Tense is talking about the actions that will take place in the time to come. आने वाले समय में जो आप एक्शंस करने वाले हो या होने वाले समय में जो होने वाले एक्शंस हैं उनके बारे में बताता है सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. Means it's related to your future. Now, the rule of the future tense is shall, will. According to the subject, we have to use shall or will with first form of the verb. First form means original form of verb. So let's discuss about the examples. He will visit us tomorrow. Will. You can see here, he is the subject. With he, we use will. Plus original form is visit. There is no change in the form of verb, so as it is. We shall stay in Shimla till Friday. हम शिमला रहेंगे Friday तक. So it's a future related action. Shall is used with the subject we, that is shall, and then stay. Stay is a original form of verb. There is no change in the form of verb. So I guess it's more clear with these two examples. Now we will talk where we have to use your will or where we have to use shall. Shall we will use with I and we. Usually, most of time with I and we will use shall, and with the other pronouns we will use will. But instead of shall, you can use will. It depends on the terms or the conditions of the asked question. So let's start with your back exercise. Complete the sentences using the simple future form of verbs given in brackets. Means by using these verbs, आपको इनका use करके future tense में sentence को convert करना है. The porters dashed the luggage. Here there is a no I, there is a no we, so you have to use will and original form of verb. The train, with train will arrive at 4:30. Sudha will write a letter to me. Sudha मुझे एक letter लिखेंगी. I, with I subject we have to use shall, then the first form of the verb that's given in bracket. So, I shall reach the station by 4. मैं स्टेशन पहुंच जाऊंगा 4 बजे. Madhu will give me her books in the evening. Madhu is subject with which we use will. They dash the shop at 9 p.m. Will close. Meena will sing at culture event. The doctor will examine my grandfather tomorrow evening. Farah will miss school on Monday. We shall participate in the inter-house debate competition. It's just a matter to recognize the subject is I or we. If there is subject I or we, आपका subject अगर I या we से related है, तो आप क्या करेंगे उसके साथ shall का use करके first form of verb use करेंगे. Otherwise, अगर आपका subject I और we नहीं है before the blank, it means आपको क्या करना है, will का प्रयोग करना है. So now next is change the tenses of the following sentence into simple future tense. There are few sentences that you have to convert in future tense. So the rule is same. Just underline the verbs of all the sentences. Plays, books, makes, learn, clean, wishes, complete, cooks, goes, help. So replace this according to the subject with will, shall, and replace this verb with the first form of verb. Varun, with Varun, will play. Nishikant, books. Nishikant will book. The carpenter will make. We, there is subject we shall. I shall clean. Satish will washes. I will complete I shall complete. My mother will cook. Seema will go. I shall help my mother in kitchen. मैं मम्मा की मदद किचन में करूँगा. So here you can see you have to write like this by underlining the verbs, then write the change in the sentences like this. Thank you. This is all about your future tense. I hope you will able to understand this.